Japan's newest food prep robots could help out at the country's short-staffed supermarkets and convenience stores. This one can take ingredients from the fridge and fry them. When customers order from a touchscreen, it serves the food. The machine is small enough to do its job in limited spaces, like behind the register of a convenience store. Another robot assembles bento lunchboxes. It is about the same size and shape as other human workers. The manufacturer says it is important to remove the fear and stress humans may feel when they work with robots. Exhibition officials say that is an important theme this year.
Can we take a selfie?
This robot might be happy to take a selfie with you, but it has a much more serious side.
The ability to do concealed weapon detection, to actually know that someone's carrying a firearm in an area where they shouldn't be.
Designed for security and surveillance, these robots autonomously monitor indoor and outdoor areas for potential threats.
This is the K1. It's a stationary robot that has weapons detection. It uses the same millimeter wave technology that's used at airports through TSA security, so it can tell the size and shape of weapons.
The 150-pound K1 can also be configured to detect radiation. It's expected to be used at airports, including luggage collection areas and healthcare facilities. For more rugged terrain like gravel at locations such as oil rigs and wind farms, there's the 770-pound K7.
The machine has holonomic steering. So a very simple way to explain that is that the machine can move like a crab. So it can turn on its own axis and also go sideways.
All the robots collect and process data from a range of sensors, including sonar, LiDAR, thermal imaging, and traditional cameras.
The volume of e-commerce orders is growing rapidly. Rising traffic levels, pollution, and increasing customer demands, however, are making the delivery process increasingly difficult. Customers expect their goods to arrive ever faster and within increasingly specific time windows. The current traditional delivery model is only partially suitable for the changing environmental conditions. In order to meet customer demands, the solution is a greater number of small, decentralized hubs close to customers. To meet these logistical challenges, particularly in the last part of the delivery process, we have to find new ways and apply innovative thinking. And at Mercedes-Benz Vans, we are doing exactly that with the Vans and Robots project, a mobile, flexible, and freely scalable hub, the Mercedes-Benz Vans and Robots mothership concept. Let's assume you urgently need a new laptop, and you know that you'll be home in an hour. You can simply order the device on the internet and enter the preferred delivery time. The order arrives at the supplier. The package is picked from the store, transported to the hub, and loaded onto the Sprinter. The Sprinter drives off and is navigated to a broadly marked out delivery area. For delivery to be carried out as efficiently as possible, the best possible stop for the van is calculated as soon as it gets there, based on the location and status of all the robots within the area. On board the Sprinter are 54 load carriers filled with the orders for this particular area. Among the load carriers are 8 autonomous robots. Each of these can be loaded with a maximum of 10 kilos, meaning they are able to accommodate a significantly higher payload than other autonomous systems. The driver app shows the driver the current position and status of the robots at any given time. Inside the load compartment, the driver app enables the driver to fill the robots easily, accurately, and efficiently. The driver is also aided in the packing process by a pick-by-light system. This loading process guarantees fast, straightforward preparation. The loaded robots can thus be sent on their way as a free-floating robot fleet to deliver their cargo safely and reliably within a radius of up to 2 miles. The combination of autonomous delivery robots and our mothership enables accurate timed delivery plus maximum and flexible scalability paired with minimal infrastructure costs. When a robot returns from a delivery, it enters the mothership on its own. All the driver has to do is secure it. In future, this innovative cooperation between Mercedes-Benz Vans and Starship will ensure quick, convenient, and cost-effective delivery at the desired time to the desired location, with the customer kept fully informed by the customer app. This guarantees the best possible delivery rates as well as satisfied customers. Fast and flexible with minimal emissions. Vans and Robots, powered by Mercedes-Benz and Starship.
Mercedes-Benz, vans born to run.